Hello students, today I will start new chapter, that is alcohols, phenols and ether. So first starting with the IUPAC nomenclature, and before that first we know about the formula used for. So for alcohol we use ROH is the formula. Then for phenols, these are aromatic alcohols, that's why we use AROH. And for ethers, in ethers we have two categories. One is for aliphatic compounds, that is ROR dash, and for aromatic we use AROR dash. So here in the starting case, in alcohols, R is an alkyl group. So alcohols are referred as the hydroxy derivatives of hydrocarbon, and these are hydroxy derivatives of aromatic hydrocarbon. And these are the ether linkage between two alkyl groups. R OR dash means this is O linkage between two alkyl groups. Similarly for aromatic, one of the R is substituted by AR, aromatic ring. So now starting with first alcohols. So in alcohols there are three types of alcohol: monohydric alcohol, dihydric and trihydric alcohol. Monohydric alcohols indicates that if only one hydroxy group is present, for example if alkyl group is CH3 and one OH is present in this, so it comes under monohydric alcohol. CH3OH, CH3, CH2OH means if we are increasing carbon chain but the number of hydroxy group OH is only one, that's why it is monohydric. In case of dihydric alcohol, the least possibility we have, that is two OH group are attached with carbon atoms, because for that we use two carbon atoms also, because in single carbon atom it is not possible to write two OH group, because these are unstable and it loses water molecule to form other compounds, so it is not possible. So the least possibility is that if we have two carbon atoms, then two OH group are attached with carbon atoms. So this is H1, 2 diol, and this is commonly the common name of this compound is very famous, that is ethylene glycol. So this compound is ethylene glycol, and this is dihydric alcohol. And if we come to the next, then trihydric alcohol, in this we have a minimum 3 carbon atoms, so that we place 3 OH group in this way, and after balancing the valency, the formula is generated: CH2OH, CHOH and CH2OH. So by IUPAC it is very easy to write the name of this compound, that is prop 1, 2, 3 triol. Triol is the name, and again the common name of this compound is very famous. By common name it is glycerol, commonly that is known as glycerine also. So this is about alcohols. Now next is phenols. So for phenol, the formula for phenol is AROH, means in aromatic ring if OH group is attached then it is known as phenol. So phenol is a particular compound, and if we talk about the dihydric phenols, then if two OH group are attached on the ring, so in this way 3 compounds of phenol are formed. One is in ortho position, one is in meta position and one is in para position. So these are dihydric phenols because two OH group are attached with ring. One is ortho derivative, second is meta, and then it is para derivative. The common name of this compound is catechol, then second is resorcinol, and third is quinol. So these are dihydric alcohols. Now third is, if 3 OH group are attached with the ring, then the possibilities are: first is composition, according to position it is 1, 2, 3. Then second possibility is 1, 2, 4 when trihydric phenols are formed. So the positions are also fixed. In the first case 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 4, and third is 1, 3, 5. So if OH group are attached in ring in different way, then trihydric phenols are formed. So these are the possibilities. Now the next is ether. Ether are of two types. One is aliphatic ether, ROR dash, and second is aromatic ether. So the formula for aliphatic ether is ROR dash, and if we derive the first member for this, then R is replaced by alkyl group and this compound is formed, and if we change the alkyl part, then it is C2H5O CS3. And if we talk about the naming part of ethers, then IUPAC for alkyl ethers are alk oxy alkanes, and in this alkoxy alkane, in this alkoxy is the small carbon atom containing part, means out of these two this is a small group, that's why it is considered as alkoxy part. So the name is methoxy, and this part is end with alkane. So यहाँ 2 carbon atom है, that's why it is ethane. So name is methoxy ethane, and in previous case the name is methoxy methane because both are same carbon atom. Now next is aromatic ethers. Then in aromatic ether, aromatic ring OCS3. So, or we can write C6H5OCS. So the name of this compound is, because this part is a small part, methoxy. Here it is a benzene ring base, that's why the name is end with an aromatic hydrocarbon, that is benzene. So the name is methoxy benzene. Similarly, other members of the group are formed if we replace this alkyl part by ethyl part, then it is, instead of methoxy, it is ethoxy benzene. So this is the naming part for alcohols, phenols and ether. Thank you.